Hello everyone. Today I'm making fried rice and please help me thank Uncle Roger so that he can review my fried rice. Let's go. Hello, we're making fried rice and we'll be using leftover rice, local rice from Ndop. You see, you touch the rice, nice unpolished rice from Ndop in the northwest region of Cameroon. We have our egg yolk, you separate it from the egg white, and then we have garlic, ginger, onion, and chili, hot Cameroonian chili, not forgetting soy sauce. Put some oil, we start by frying our egg whites. Now put it aside. Add some oil in the pan. Garlic, ginger, and onions. Now add our egg yolk. And the egg whites, mix. Time to add our rice. Soy sauce, add some chili, pepper, when you hear that pop noise, you know your fried rice is good. This is our fried rice with local Ndop rice, unpolished rice. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like and you will try the fried rice. See you in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to tag Uncle Roger for my fried rice. Local made Cameroonian fried rice inspired by Chinese fried rice. Bye.